I actually wrote a script, bitch, and I'm gonna pull it up. This video is not for the softies. This is for those who love heavy screaming basses. And today we're gonna make some screaming drum and bass. It goes like this. If this is your first time opening FL Studio, don't even trip, homie, I got you. I'm gonna hold your hand, no homo, unless you're a baby girl. In that case, what's good, girl? You single? What's up? All right, let's get into tutorial time, bro. It's tutorial time, dog. All right, first of all, drum and bass, set the BPM to 175. That's the first step. After that, you know what? I'm gonna be so cool with it. I was gonna delete it, but I'm not. I'm just gonna drag it to the side. And we're gonna bring each element one by one. And I'm gonna explain to you what's going on in this. This is FL Studio. This is your playlist. This one button is your browser. Then here you can find sounds, okay? So I'm gonna go into my brand new production suite, WARBLOOM, more on that later. I'm gonna grab a flippin' kick, because I'm not cursing anymore, guys. I'm turning a new page in my life. I don't want to curse anymore. So whenever I want to curse, I'll stop myself and I'm gonna be like, kick. I'm gonna get a kick. So these drums specifically and all the stuff that you're hearing is actually coming from the blood pedal expansion inside of WARBLOOM. All of the sounds that we're using in this drop are inside this folder. Kick, boom, we're gonna drag the kick into here, bam. Now we're gonna zoom in. I'm zooming in like this. And if you're in a mouse, you go like this. Alright, it's just a joke. PG-13, rated R. Alright, so we're gonna place the kick on the first. And now we want the boom, clap, boom, clap, boom, clap, boom, clap. Okay, so now we need a clap. So this one is a clap I made. Of course, I just like layering metallic stuff on my claps and my snares. Anyway, WARBLOOM. First beat, boom, kick. Second beat, clap. And then third beat, no kick, except it's a little bit later. And then another clap on the fourth. And then there you go. That's the drum and bass. Boom, clap, boom, clap. That's it. So now we're gonna highlight this whole first bar, right? I think that's what it's called. We're gonna press Command B. So you highlight this shit perfectly. And then Command B, paste to the side. Command B, paste to the side. Command B, paste to the side, paste to the side, like that the whole time. Okay, so basically that's what I did, and that's what we have here. And a little bit of a variation at the end. Just took out the claps right here on the 15th and 16th bar. And then we hit into the drop one more time. So the next thing we're gonna layer is some hats. Back into the browser, grab a hat, put it into the playlist. Okay, boom. I'm gonna hold shift, click, and drag. That duplicates the Then I'm gonna bring it down to another track, and then I'm gonna bring down the volume like this. It's gonna give it a little bit of a bounce, a groove, and then I'm gonna do the same thing. Highlight, shift, drag. Highlight, shift, drag. Same thing as last time. Highlight the whole boom, sklink, sklank. I could have done that before, so I didn't have to do all this I would have just copied and paste, and that's how you get this. Fire. Let me actually just paste this here because this is what we did. As you can see, there's a little bit of no double hats on this part. It's just it had to do with the way that I wanted those synths to hit in that part, which are these right here. Yeah, so I will talk about that later. The last thing I added, the last element, is this crash loop, which you could just make yourself if you really wanted to. Actually, I'll just do it because why not? I'm just nice like that. So we have this crash right here, and then this other one, right? And they're basically almost exactly the same, but not really. This one is just getting chopped up on the floor, which means every beat. And it goes like this. Very subtle difference, but it's there. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to the loop because it's already ready and fired. And that's the drums. Your body should be moving. If your body's not moving, I think you have a pretty big problem that I might not be able to solve. Or maybe I can. Ooh, maybe I did. Maybe I would. Maybe I could, maybe I should. Whoa, what? I'm on that shit, get the fuck out my way, you stupid you looking like a stupid toe in my way, yeah. I'm about to stub your face with my... That's bad. Alright, the bass. The project comes with a consolidated bass, and also the serum pattern. So if you want to do that, you go here to this little button here, and then you click here, and then you put my epic bass.
I'm a beginner. LOL, no I'm not. I've been doing this 10 years. Oh my god, I'm not supposed to curse. 10 years. Wow, I'm so cool. LOL. Again. More. Okay, stop.
Click it here, put it into the playlist. Now you can drag it, and then you click on it, and it's gonna bring up the piano roll for some reason, but what you want is the step sequencer. So in here, you can see your drum samples and other stuff. And we're gonna bring in a CRWTH. So I know this, not everybody has this, whatever, get it somehow, you can do it. But if you don't have it, I think you should still get it, but we also have the individual samples inside my production suite, WARBLOOM. Okay, stop. I really like that shit. I put a lot of work into it. It's literally the biggest thing I've ever made, and I'm so excited because I just keep getting better. And the next production suite is gonna be even cooler and unlike anything anyone has ever heard. But get this one right now because it's awesome, and I put a lot of work into it. It's a lot of years of experience in there and experimentation as well. It's not some generic ass shit. Nothing against the people who make generic ass things. I mean, hey, we need the generic people so we can have the unique people. That's the way it is. Yang yang. Let's get it. So what I was gonna explain is this sound first. So like the first one is the one I called Hitlex, because nothing like Hitler. Okay, don't cancel me. It just sounded cool. The words. I made all of these words up, by the way. The bassists are male and the leads are female. Don't take my ideas. Or take them. I don't care. I'm just creative. I could still come up with more. Anyway, so this is the... that. You can see here, you can explore it, but what I want to pretty much just point out is that it's a resonant peak doing this. It's a little bit more than that, but I think that's really the defining point that makes this sound, because if I turn off this filter here, but then I turn it on, resonant peak, baby. That's what I mean. Okay, that resonant peak right there, that literally that thing right there. Stop cursing. That's a resonant peak. So if you want to make some cool sound like that, I'm actually doing a lot of that inside Thorns, the serum pack, inside WARBLOOM. It has over 100 presets if you want to go check it out. Anyway, I know it's like a commercial. Your tutorial is a commercial. You know what? If anyone's complaining about this moment where I'm wasting time and not getting to the point, just blame that person who commented that on my channel. Oh, it seems like a commercial. Look, now you're wasting more time and it's your fault. Alright, now I want to talk about the other sound, which is honestly kind of like the same idea. This one's called Krylon. And you look at that resonant peak. If I turn it off, you don't get that screamy shit. You know what I mean? Alright, look. You can copy this patch if you want to. Because I am not about to explain this whole thing. I'm sorry, dude. That shit, I'm just not going to do it. Because when I do this stuff, I have fun. And I don't have fun when I'm explaining that shit because I already did it. Yeah. Yeah, I thought I was gonna explain more about this, but I'm really not, okay. Yeah, there's no processing on it at all. It's just going into this sidechain. Oh, you're a beginner, so you don't know. Okay, so basically, kick, right? I click on it. It's selected because I clicked on it. Then I go here, I click on the bus in the mixer that I want to channel it to. And then I press Command L, and it will channel to that thing. So, same thing for the basses. Boom, channel it here, Command L. You can see here that this is being channeled to here. You see that? Right? You can go here, route to this track only. And then here, and then route to this track only. So this sidechain, it's a preset. And by the way, this project is available inside WARBLOOM, but I'm also making it available for my patrons. So you're welcome. So I have a fruity balance here. And as you can see here, if I turn it up all the way, it goes 5.6 decibels. So I put this other balance to compensate for that and put negative 5.6 decibels. That way I can automate this, right, by right clicking and putting create automation clip. This creates this thing right here, which is actually this one right here that I already have color coded, and I just make a dip, right? So it's the shape of the kick, and that way the bass dips every single time the kick hits. I'm doing that for both the kick and the clap. Obviously they have different shapes because the clap is a shorter sound, and even though it doesn't have any bass, I thought it sounded cool if I dip it. The MIDI. So you're gonna go here to your step sequencer, and you're gonna write this melody right here, and crickets, because we're gonna add another sound there. And then, so you can hear that every single time I hit this, it's a little slight variation, which is why I consolidated it, right? Because once you consolidate, it stays the same. To consolidate, you actually just highlight Command Option C, put start, and you get that. So I chopped up the ones that I really liked, right? Boom, boom. Let me show you the MIDI for the other bass, the Krylon bass, and it goes like this. Oh my god, I threw another bass in here, which is Scandrel. That's what you hear right here. Fire. That's it. Bass and drum together. Hold up, I can already hear people, fucking dorks in the comment talk about, oh, you didn't explain the sound design, I didn't learn anything, oh my god, this is just a commercial for your damn man. Look, don't be a punk and complain, ask for what you want. Just be like, yo, I would love for you to explain how you made that bass. Maybe if you ask nicely, I'll do it. Anyway, I'm done. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.